Hi, welcome back to Holy Digital's channel. In today's video, I'll be walking you through, showing you step by step how you can give someone an access or permission to work on your page without having direct access to your own Facebook profile. Whether you are working with a freelancer or you are working with an agency or a teammate to run ad on your page or to manage the content of your Facebook business page, this video is a walkthrough for you step by step. Now let's start. Before you be able to give somebody access to work on your page, you will do two things. One, you will make sure you have your page set up, and two, you also make sure that the person you are going to give access or you want to give access is your friend on Facebook. As we proceed in this tutorial, I will tell you why. So now the first step is to log into your own Facebook account, not the page. As you can see on my screen, I am currently on my Facebook profile. Okay, so that's the first step. Then the second step is that we are going to pick the page in which we want to give somebody an access. Okay, let's go to pages. Now, if you watch on my screen, you see I have different pages that I manage for different businesses that I manage their page on this account. So let's pick a page. In this tutorial, I'm going to pick this page. So what we do is we click switch to page. So what it means that I am switching from my personal profile on Facebook account to the page in which I want to give somebody an access. All right. So we're on the page now. If you watch on the screen, as we have switched the page, we now have this interface: additional dashboard, insights, ad center. This is where you manage advert on this page, and this is where we create page, and rather we create advert on this page. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how to create ad from scratch. So today, let's go to today's business, which is giving someone an access to work on our page. So when we get to this page dashboard, then we go to settings. We click on settings. Now we are on this interface. Pay attention here. When you get to this settings and privacy, then you scroll down to where we have under audience and visibility, to where you have page setup. You click on page setup. Now the next step, that we have two sections on this screen. One section from the left hand side under settings and privacy. Then we have another section at the right hand side, which is page setup. So we scroll down and you see page access. This is the tab we are going to be working with. So you click on page access. Now, if you watch carefully, you see it said manage and view access. Currently, there is no access given to anyone else on this page apart from I myself, which is the admin of this page. Now, for we to give access or assign somebody into a page access to work or manage this page for me, I have two options. Option one is that either I give the person access, Facebook access, or I give the person with task access. Let me explain. Facebook access means that this person I'm going to give access to this page can switch the same way I switch from my own Facebook account to this page. The person can as well switch from his or her own Facebook account to this page. It means that this person owns the page also. Or I give this person task access. This means that this person cannot switch from the Facebook, switch into this page from his own Facebook, but he can use tools like Meta Business Suite or Meta Creator Studio to access this page and to do whatever permission you give. So let's explain here. If I want to click here, let's start from the first one, which is Facebook access. I click here, then take a few seconds to read your screen to understand what they are saying. Then you click next. Remember I told you before that the person you want to give access has to be your friend on Facebook, not a follower of the page, but your Facebook friend. The reason is because if the person is not your friend on Facebook, if you type the person profile or email address, it will not come up. But let me see, for example, I want to give this person Ikechukwu. Okay, this Ikechukwu is my friend. So that is why this Ikechukwu is up here. So I will click Ikechukwu. Now they're asking me if I continue, Ikechukwu will have the following access to this page. You can create content, manage posts, delete posts, stories, and more as a page owner. You can manage messages and call, send and respond to direct messages on this page. You can manage community, which means this person can review and respond comments, remove unwanted comments, and report activities. This person also can run an ad, manage ad, and delete adverts on this page. If this is what you want, you click give access. Now let's go to the second one that said people with task. If you click on people with task, now you take a minute or seconds to read what they said on your screen. Then you go to the next. Now I search the same Ikechukwu. Okay, I click this Ikechukwu. Now this is the access that I can give to this Ikechukwu. Either to manage insights. If I want him to see inside, I'll mark this. I want him to run advert, I mark this. But I don't want him to reply messages, I will not mark this. I will check this, I will check this. So whichever access you want to give to this person, the ball is on your court and the choice is yours. You decide what to do. But before I continue, let me show you one thing. If I go with here people with Facebook access and click next and type the name of the person I want to give access, Ikechukwu. Now you see, if you scroll down, you see this option. If you allow this person to have full access and full control of the page, meaning that this person can give other people access to manage the page or remove people from the page. The person can even remove you from the page or delete the page entirely. Then you can choose this, join other ones at the top. But if you don't want the person to have full control, but the person can still switch and manage the page, then you remove this and click this one. Okay, let's say give access. Now Facebook now asking you to put your Facebook password. They want to know if you are the authorized person to do this or not. So I will click continue. Once I put my correct password, boom, Ikechukwu is now having a Facebook access to my to that particular Facebook page. But for Ikechukwu here to accept or to have full access, Ikechukwu have to accept this invitation. When Ikechukwu open his Facebook profile, wherever in own Facebook account or in the notification, you have to accept this. Until Ikechukwu accepts this, you have option either to accept or to decline. If he accepts, it means that I've given him successfully Facebook access to manage my page on Facebook. This is how it works. This is the steps you have to follow. Very easy to give someone access to manage your page. This is for desktop interface. In the next video, I will do how you work this step by step on your mobile phone if you are working on mobile phone. Okay, because it's the same thing but slightly different because of device interfaces. All right, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have your question, use the comment section to drop your question, or you have a recommendation video you want me to do pertaining to Facebook marketing, digital marketing, Facebook ad, TikTok ad, Instagram ad, and WhatsApp ad. Use the comment section to drop your recommendation, okay? And they do well to share, to press the share button, and they like my video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget, in the next video, I'll be walking you through step by step without missing a word on how to set up an advert that will convert like a guru. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you in the next video.